The converse of the hinge theorem tells us that the hinge theorem also works in the other direction. So once again, if I have two sides of one triangle are congruent, to two sides of another triangle, and the third side of the first triangle is longer than the third side of the second triangle, then the included angle of the first triangle is larger than the included angle of the second triangle. Essentially, again, if I have the setup of two congruent sides, if my third side is longer than this third side, then the included angle must be larger than this included angle. So it works in both directions. The most important thing, though, that we have to have for the setup is two congruent sides. Let's look at an example. Example 2, again, we want to complete with less than, equal than, or greater, or less than, greater than, or equal to. And we're looking at the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. Take a moment, solve this on your own first. When you're ready, resume your video and check your solutions. Again, I really like to use highlighters. We see that EF is congruent to JI, that FG is congruent to HJ, and that leads sides EG and HI. EG is greater, meaning that the measure of angle 2 must be greater than the measure of angle 1. Or we'd say the measure of angle 1 is less than the measure of angle 2. And that's it. That is the whole idea of triangle inequalities in two different triangles. Again, you want to look for two congruent sides. That's the most important thing. Identify those sides, mark them however works best for you, and then look at the included angle and the third side.